Your Excellency the President, the people of Kisii have voted for you. They have voted for you 3 to 4 times when you were Deputy President and now when you are President. The people of Kisii expect you to share development equitably and fairly. We are told you are taking the railway line all the way to Siaya and you are leaving the Nyamira, Kisii, Migori route. We would want to ask you, Your Excellency, do the right thing. You are going to spend 870 billion to do this road, which is shorter than Nairobi, Mombasa. Please make sure the Kisii people get their dues. Let us have the railway line going all the way to Kisii, go down to South Mugrango, let us go to Migori, and let us go and serve our Kenyans who are known as the Kuria. Parimoko mo interprete mo teimo mo imate vega otavege tierere wejo ya tuakora ni biamono ya saba sesenie tigame nyokenchi kolendo mwana olia chikura chietombu ya chire omomure ominto nero kurwanigwa lakini moreme lakora mungale nyamboto umusaje utagete no yore gusoyo oli chimbo wasebano